everybody, my name is Sam. I'm a senior chemical engineer with an environmental engineering minor, and this summer I worked at a company called Allbirds. They're a direct-to-consumer startup company that makes shoes. They're very focused on sustainability, which is really cool and interesting to me. And I actually got to do this job through a program called the Kessler Fellowship, and it might not be too late for you to apply. It's basically just funding from Cornell that you get to take to a startup and then tell them that the startup doesn't have to pay you because Cornell's paying you just to get an experience there over the summer, which is really cool. It was a really secure way to go into last summer knowing that I didn't have to rely on the company to pay me for my work. So it was really good, and I ended up getting to do a project, two different projects. One of them was looking at the sustainability and carbon footprint of our different foaming processes. So it was a lot of looking at processes, being in contact with our factories and figuring out how much water it takes to run the processes and where we could be more efficient, stuff like that. And then my other project was looking at the material properties of flax version of a carbon fiber plate, which was really interesting, and just kind of determining if that would be a feasible alternative for a shoe in the future. So that was more research and data analysis, and this internship was completely remote, but I'm definitely happy to talk to you about Allbirds or about the Kessler Fellowship. It's a really cool program, and I think I'm one of the only chemies that has ever done it, so definitely reach out.